How to enable or disable video pop out in Opera GX. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can enable or disable video pop out in Opera GX. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Opera GX, and once you have opened it up, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side and then click on settings. Now on the settings, you have to scroll all the way to the end and click on advanced. Now on the advanced, you have to search for an option that says video pop out. So keep on scrolling and you will have this video pop out section right here. If you have enabled it, in order to disable it, all you have to do is simply toggle off this option, and that's how you can disable it. If you want to enable the video pop out, again toggle on this option right here, and the video pop out is again enabled in Opera GX. So that's the way to enable and disable video pop out in Opera GX, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can enable or disable video pop out in Opera GX. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Opera GX, and once you have opened it up, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side and then click on settings. Now on the settings, you have to scroll all the way to the end and click on advanced. Now on the advanced, you have to search for an option that says video pop out. So keep on scrolling and you will have this video pop out section right here. If you have enabled it, in order to disable it, all you have to do is simply toggle off this option, and that's how you can disable it. If you want to enable the video pop out, again toggle on this option right here, and the video pop out is again enabled in Opera GX.